good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Then we see. Interesting day setting up. NVIDIA was way up, did not go. It's heading lower. Don't know why. If somebody knows, let me know. We'll figure it out as we go. Don't know why. SCMI was at 324. It's back lower, 315, 316. Big area there. We added a week on that one, ended some other ones. So let's see what happens, okay? Look, the market's not going anywhere. We're going higher over time. How far high, don't know. If we give us an opportunity, we have an opportunity here to get to 4,800, right? And then we see. Hold on a second. Okay. So SPX is up 10, trying to take out this 4750-ish area. See what happens, okay? Pan W CEO didn't say much on fast money. Probably won't hold that one, and see what happens, okay? AMD, very straightforward. If and when it can get over 141 and hold, it's probably a huge buy. NVIDIA, if it gets back to 503 and hold, it didn't hold. Look, very simple, didn't hold. And there's a story out there, and it doesn't seem to pull up on Fidelity. If somebody has it, it says Goldman Sachs, Eli Lilly shares may surge by 140% with the boom. 140%, but it doesn't come up. Is it 140% from where it is? 140% of where it was? Doesn't say. 140% from here would be a $1,200 stock. And I don't know who wrote it or anything. It just shows a headline. It doesn't even show the time or anything. So if somebody knows, if you see that story, because if that story is real and it came out today and Goldman Sachs is upgrading it based 140% from where it is today, then this has a possibility of 600 today. I don't know what's real, so we'll post it as we can go figure it out. I don't know why it's not coming up. Okay, so just understand that. Boeing signed some more jet orders. If Boeing takes off and it takes out 266, this can really, really fly. Okay, let's talk a little bit about buying stuff up, buying stuff down, trading them. See, so here's a quiz for you. Let's do a quiz. So why did Sam sell SMCI right as it was breaking up? And why did Sam sell SMCI? Okay? So you got to get this right. And if you do, that means you have a great opportunity to be successful. And if you get it wrong, you're going to struggle. Okay, Tony got it right. Anybody else? Come on, anybody else? Why would Sam have sold that when Sam told you if 316 breaks, it's going to rocket? Come on, one more thing. Cover other trades. There you go. And hard resistance. There you go. Look at that. You guys, a lot of people getting really, really good. So here's why. And you guys are all right. Thank you. So we bought him at 185. So Sam was up $122,000. Now, I told you that number was so hard, it could have hit 316, and it could have dropped all the way back to 300 right off the bat, and those 310s would have went to $3. So you take $122,000 profit, and it doesn't matter. Let's say you even put 50 grand back in, okay? Even if you lose 50 grand, you're still up 70. See? So you take the profit and you roll up. Now, look, you absolutely went to 25 and Sam left another 200,000 on the table. But we told you that. When it takes out 316, it's going to explode up or it's going to go right back down. Look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA 503, it didn't break, and now it's down 10. We told you. I mean, none of this is rocket science. But nobody teaches you this because nobody understands this and nobody knows Sam's numbers, okay? So why did Sam buy Amazon? Come on. Another one. You guys are getting good at this. Really good. Why did Sam buy Amazon? Come on. Type it in. Type it in. Even though Amazon doesn't move great, come on. Come on. Okay, nobody's getting it. So why did say about Amazon? Because it's at high of year. If it hits high of year, you have a potential for a huge breakout or back down. So we're looking for the breakout, right? Very straightforward. I mean, none of this is rocket science, okay? Very, very straightforward. And then we see. Once again, Tesla, I told you, Tesla technically looks outstanding. Like it can go to 272, 291. But the news flow is bad. Okay? So just understand that. I mean, less EVs being sold. If the 7,500 credit goes away, do they lower prices? That's all bad. But technically it's good. So it's in kind of no man's land. Today, very simple. You want to see if SMCI takes out 327, pops back up, and NVIDIA takes out 503. If it does, we're going to rock it. And keep an eye on Lilly, because I don't know what this article says. Because if they put this price target over 800, it's going to rock it. And I don't know. See, these articles, they're all bullshit. Half these analysts are all bogus. Look at Mike Wilson throwing the towel yesterday. He threw the towel. He says, and here's what I heard. So I heard this from a friend. So once again, you got to take everything for what it is. But he told me a couple days ago, he goes, Morgan Stanley put out a memo saying you're not allowed to short. And then Mike Wilson throws the towel. Isn't that interesting? Let me tell you the worst thing about Morgan Stanley and CEOs are. They got no backbone. And they want to just, you can do what you want. Really, they want to be stupid. Really. If I was Morgan Stanley's CEO and somebody got him on TV, here's what I would say. Why did you let Mike Wilson come out 10 times last year and tell you we're going to go lower? Do you tell your people that they have to follow the highest paid analyst that's wrong 10 times? Really? Right? Why did I buy Amazon? Amazon, because it hit high of year. Very straightforward. Okay? Tom is saying you bought Amazon because the Rater indicator. When Raiders score 63 points, Amazon goes up. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. Netflix trying to break up. And we told you, Netflix a one-day wonder. Does it have a second date today? Don't know. Goldman Sachs, huge strength, and now it's down. It needs to get back up today. It needs to get back up over 381. And keep an eye on it, because if it takes out 382, it may be 391 really fast. Okay? Caterpillar moving back up again. Wants to go. Remember Caterpillar that day they had earnings? Not this last quarter, the quarter before. People like, Sam, how the hell you remember this shit? It popped all the way to 292 and then went back to 282 close. So it's heading to 292. Sam's generated numbers. Unbelievable. You just need to take some ginkgo bologna or whatever that is. Improve your memory. Play remember with wifey, whatever you do. And then we see. Okay? So that's what's going on today. LRCX. Why did LRCX go down yesterday? No idea. Interesting. And that's what we know. Okay? Interesting. So when I woke up early, NVIDIA was back over 502-ish. So something came out. I don't know what came out that took it down, but we're not going lower. Certain stocks may go lower, but the market's not going lower. And if the PCE is low, we're 4,800. And then I think 5,000 comes. And I think they're gonna take this up. Here's what I want. I wanted these 4750s at $2 to $3, and they go to 50 at 4,800. Okay? But they're way expensive right now. So just kind of waiting. Okay? That's what I see. That's what I see. That's what I see. Okay. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. 12:19. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Then we see very nice day yesterday. Very nice day. Started really good. SMCI. What a move. What a move. What a move. What a move. Okay. SPX up 10, I believe. 9, 10, somewhere in there. Building permits. All this stuff is meaningless. It's meaningless. Don't overthink stuff. Okay. SPX up 9, 47.49, 47.52, 47.71. Avago 11.72 up, 10.91 down. Nvidia 503 up, 506 accelerator, 491. Lam Research 781, 822 underneath 751. Amazon 156, 159. Adobe. Look, Adobe missed. They didn't miss. They guided a little bit lower. They canceled the deal. That's why it's up. Don't force into. I see people buying stuff that have no rules. Guys, create yourself some rules. Okay? If somebody misses, maybe you say, I'm not going to play it for 2 weeks. Sam uses 4 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks. Guys, don't fall in love. I see the same people fall in love with stocks. Don't fall in love. Sam's not buying Snow. Maybe Snow goes, say, watch, when I say shit like this, it always goes the other way. Watch Snow pop excuse me. Sorry. Watch Snow rip 10. Okay? Okay? But why are you playing Snow? The thing doesn't move. It doesn't move. If it starts moving 10 up and 10 down, boom, we're right into it. If it's moving $1 and you can make 5 cents, why are you going to buy it? AMD, it's not moving. AMD perennially for 10 years was a non-mover. So it's sitting here not moving. If it gets back near 141, boom, then you get in. But don't play things that aren't moving, man. You're going to get butchered. Don't get butchered, okay? That's Adobe. Adobe's in Sam. Maybe I like Adobe, and maybe it's going to rocket. But you got to wait till all the sellers are gone off the earnings, and then you get back in. PanW 311, 316. Lilly, I don't know what this news is. Watch it. It's not up enough, but if it spreads, 592, 603. Big number. 603 is a carbon copy of what? Quiz. Carbon copy. See if you can type it in really fast. What's it a carbon copy of? What number? On what stock? Come on, you should know this. It happened yesterday, and it moved, and it rocketed because it broke. Come on. What's the play? No. Nice try. 603 is the carbon copy of SMCI 316. You've seen what happened when 316 broke. I mean, it didn't even take 5 minutes. It popped to 325 and popped 10. That's what's going to happen. If and when Lilly breaks 603, it's going to explode up, just like SMCI at 316. But just like SMCI at 316, if it fails, it's right back down. It's actually similar to NVIDIA, too. Similar to NVIDIA. Because if it fails 503, boom, right back to NVIDIA, down 10. Same thing as Lilly, okay? Snowman 203, AMD 141. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. Starting to get some legs again. I like MicroStrategy 600s, but no more than $3. Don't overpay, okay? Netflix 492, Goldman Sachs 381, Boeing 266, UPSD trying again 49.51, Caterpillar trying again 288, 292, Ulta all about 500, SMCI heading lower again, okay? 327. Microsoft doesn't move. Sam hasn't even mentioned Microsoft for three weeks because it doesn't move anymore. Okay? NOW 714. Tesla 259 up, 229 down. That's what we know. That's what we know. That's what we know. Everybody have a great day. See you, Jeff.